Hello, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning. Yeah.
Yes,
So in your map, toilet is written in the south direction.
yes, ma'am.
So there are some debts and legal issues
Yes, yes, ma'am.
this
Both.
toilet is giving.
Okay.
If you can see on the screen, in the south, the toilet is written. When toilet comes in the south direction, it increases something, because of that legal issues appears. And the debt is coming because in your bedroom the attached toilet, that this is the reason of these two things. So what you can do, you can just place a yellow color bathroom mat in your bathrooms. That will help you.
Yellow color. Okay.
Yes, yellow color bathroom mat.
In both the toilet, attached one also, and in
Yes,
the
in both
common.
the bathrooms.
Okay.
Okay, do
Thank.
this. Take care. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ronald, make note of it, okay? Whatever Upmaji said, make note of it. And Upmaji, for everybody else, this is for Ronald only specifically.
No, this is for everyone.
Okay.
If your toilet is in the south direction, this is in general, because of the imbalance of the elements, it will give you some legal issues or financial imbalance in the life. So we can just place a yellow color bathroom mat. Or if you don't want to put in the bathroom, outside the entrance of the bathroom, just place a yellow color doormat. That will help everyone.
Oh, fantastic. So basically, Upmaji, what you shared here for Ronald and for everybody is that if
Yes.
your toilet is in the south direction, you could have these issues to place a yellow colored mat either inside or just outside the bathroom entrance.
Correct.
Oh, nice. Nice. Thank you.
Because I'm not going to give you a lot of big remedies. A very simple remedies will help.
Right.
What I am doing, south is the direction of the fire. When water is coming there, toilet means water. So when water is coming there, it is imbalancing. Now, if I will check in the horoscope, Mars planet will not be in a good position. It might be in the fourth house in any member of the family, or it could be in any other place where water element is also getting imbalanced. That's why this issue is coming. When we are placing the yellow mat, I am just exhausting the water element from here.
Fantastic. Hope that helped, Ronald. Super.
Yes, we can take the next map.
Yes, just a moment. Okay, before we just take the next one on, because these questions have come in, Umaji, and some of them have to do with how they can give the floor map in. I'm just bringing this up very quickly because, thank you. Where maps also pouring in, thank you. Okay, there is this question that, okay, Neville is asked, Upmaji, the Rashis for Hindu and Western zodiacs are different. So which one do we follow? Like which one would you be following in doing the singer? Which is, I know is Vedic, but please tell, please tell Neville.
Like here, you don't see the Rashi because that work will be done by me.
Right.
You will not be able to do, because here I will see whether I have to check the birth chart or check the moon chart, or I have to go in the, there are many minute charts also. So that work I will do. So please do not see that, just make a map and post here.
Okay. And the question that's come up that you gave for Ronald right now, if the toilet is in the south direction, somebody's asking, I'm so sorry, I'm not being able to see your name. I can only see a lovely purple heart. It says, is that also for toilet in southwest?
For toilet, yes, for toilet in southwest, we can also place the yellow mat, but it will give the different impact.
Right. So south, southeast, southwest, each is going to have a slightly different, because that the whatever the
Yes,
angle
impact will be different, but
Okay.
for south and southwest toilets, we can place the yellow color mat.
Okay, fantastic. And the other questions that have come in, okay, and Ronald's asked, what about the kitchen in the north? Her kitchen is in the north.
For one person, one remedy.
Okay, great, fantastic. All right, and okay. People asking about what about the toilet here? If your floor plan is here, we'll definitely bring it up. If not, we'll come to those questions in a bit. All right. Okay, so we have with us is Lini. So give me a quick second. Lini, I've sent you a request to unmute and getting you guys on together again. Go ahead, Upmaji.
Ma'am.
So like,
Hello.
if you see this chart, in this
Hello.
chart, hi Leni, we are not able to see you.
Voice breaking.
Lini, is your video on?
Hi, Yuji. Voice is breaking. Sorry.
We can hear each other. I think, we did hear a lag in your sound. You know what? Should we just come back to Lini in a bit? I think, okay, I'm going to check in with the team. Please let me know, is Upmaji's screen frozen only for me or is it for everybody?
I'm able to see you, Nilu.
Okay. All right. You're fine. And
Yes.
we're not being able to get Lini on, right? Lini, is your video on? Oh, Lini is, yeah. 1 second.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, there you
Hi.
go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Okay.
I can't
Leni,
see you, ma'am. 1 minute, ma'am. Just,
Yeah, no,
I
we're
want to
taking
see
care
you.
of we're taking care of that. Don't
Okay,
worry.
okay.
There you go. There you go.
Yes.
So Leni, in your map, the toilet is written in between the west and southwest direction. So we
Yes,
will
ma'am.
call it as the west of southwest. So
Okay.
are you facing some digestion related and savings related issues?
Savings related. Yes, ma'am.
Because the toilet which is kept there and the powder room, it is giving the savings related issues. More expenditure is in your home. Correct?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Mine is a 2-floor house, ma'am. So all my bathrooms, no toilets are this side only.
It's,
Here also one is there. The south one also is there. That servant room, there they have one toilet. Then south to west,
yes,
entire
but
thing is this area. Yeah,
yes, but what I said, savings related issue, that
is
I'm
there,
just
ma'am.
telling you, looking at the map only, and that is
Yeah.
correct.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes, yes,
So
yes.
south toilet, the remedy which I had told just few minutes, yellow
Okay.
color mat, please place that.
Yeah, sure, sure.
That
Sure.
will help you to for pacifying the expenditures.
Okay, 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 ma'am. Yeah.
Upmaji, I'm
Okay.
just very quickly asking, you just mentioned toilet is you are taking it as west of southwest. Does that
Yes.
have any specific thing or it falls under the category of toilet in the south direction only?
No. If you see this map,
Yes.
near the powder room and toilet, she has not mentioned the west direction.
Right.
Yeah, it is
South
west,
is-
west.
So
Yeah.
the west direction will come there, and the toilet will come in between the west and southwest. That is
Right.
known as the west of southwest direction. And
Okay.
when bathroom comes there, in the toilet, what we always have a commode in the toilet.
Right.
And what is the work of commode? To flush.
Hmm.
And the particular this area is for making up bank balance.
Hmm.
When you are flushing, your bank balance is,
Flushing.
I don't understand anything.
Yes, yes. Yeah. Income is there the same way it is going also. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah.
And why I'm paying attention on the toilets? Because bathroom are the source of biggest negative energies.
Okay. Yeah.
So we are paying attention on the toilets. There are many things and they have many other angles also. But because in the toilet we have water.
Mhm.
Water is directly indicated as a money.
Money.
whatever direction it will come, it will behave in that same manner. Like in your case, it is coming in the
Okay.
gains area,
Yes.
and because of that commode,
Yeah.
it is flushing. So savings is becoming less. Every time you will try to increase the savings, or you will do, but sudden expenditure will come and it will go away.
Yes.
Hmm?
Ma'am.
So
Yeah.
that's why, because it is coming in the zone of southwest, more
Hmm.
towards the southwest and a little bit of west, because it is not directly we are marking from the degree wise. That's why I'm giving you the general remedy. Place the yellow color mat there.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much, ma'am. Thank you,
Thank you.
Neelu ji.
Thank you.
Yes.
Okay, Upma ji, what I'm saying over here is to everybody. There are lots of questions coming in. We're going to take on 2 more for now. We'll come to your questions and we'll keep doing this, okay, in regular intervals. So keep posting your questions. They will be brought up. I'm only requesting, don't keep reposting your questions, okay? Thank you. All right, next person coming up that we're bringing on is Shivani.
Yes.
And okay, Shivani is not here. I've not found her. So we're moving on to the next, who is KK. But who is KK? I need your full name. Please type it into the group. We'll come back to KK. There is Sushmita. Okay, Sushmita is here. Sushmita, are you on video? Okay, I've added you on and there's your request. We're doing Sushmita's right now.
Hi, Sushmita.
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
I am good. Yes. So, Sushmita, please tell me, do you find taking help from someone difficult? Like you always feel hesitation in taking support from someone, or people are not helping you properly?
Ma'am, actually, my mom has been living here since long. I am here since past couple of years. But yes, that issue is there with her.
So, Nilu,
Yes,
can you see toilet marked in the northwest direction?
yes, yes.
I asked the support from here.
Oh, interesting.
Because what happens is, there are small things to be done. She keeps on asking, and sometimes people come, sometimes they will come and they will not do it properly again. She has to do it. So maybe she
Yes,
is
she has to do, and sometimes you will not get the proper house help, or
right,
somewhere there are some issues in
right,
taking support or getting the support.
right.
This is because of that reason.
Okay.
So I will here again give you a very small remedy.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, just purchase the gray color bathroom mat and place it in the toilet.
Gray color.
Yes,
Okay.
gray
So it
color.
can be kept outside also, right?
Yes, it can be kept outside also.
Okay. And no particular type or size or anything.
Any type of, but it should be in a gray color.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So anyone who is having the toilet in the northwest, or if your washing machine is kept in the northwest, then please place gray color doormat or bathroom mat inside or outside.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thanks, Sushmita.
So, Nilu, isn't it so easy?
Yeah, and I'm just, I know I'm not at the center of my house right now, but I invariably have a compass lying somewhere around. So I was like discreetly picking it up, saying, where is the south? Where's my bathroom? Where's the toilet? Do I need to start ordering yellow, gray, red, blue, brown,
No,
black
no.
toilet mats right away?
Not every time it is required,
Right,
but
right.
sometimes.
Yes, yes. Okay, so we'll take one more person on and then bring the questions on. And I know somebody had asked about the kitchen in the northwest. So I'm guessing if their washing machine is in their kitchen and it's in the northwest, they need to place a gray colored mat
Kitchen.
over there.
No. Kitchen
No.
in the northwest is permitted.
Okay. No, if the washing machine is also, because there are a lot
Yes,
of people
if
have
washing-
kitchens with pantries and you have the washing machine there. So
Yes, if
sorry,
washing
not
machine is there.
pantries, balconies. Sorry.
If washing machine is there, then
Yes.
definitely it is causing the issues.
Ah, interesting. All right. And we have found out KK's name. So just a moment. Okay, there you are. Hi, Rupali.
Hi.
Hi, can you raise your phone a bit? You have a lovely ceiling fan where we want to see your face.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Rupali.
Hi. Hi, Maji. Good to see you again.
Very good to see you. Yes. So, Rupali, is there anyone in the home who is having the short temper nature?
Yes, my husband.
And because of this short temper nature, he sometimes get entangled in the arguments like road rage, or sometimes in the office. Because of this, he's not able to get the proper increments.
Yes, that's true. He has been working so hard, but the kind of what do you say,
Effort.
money is what he deserves. He's not getting that.
Yes.
So
So,
progress is very slow.
yes. So, Rupali, can you give me his birth details also?
Okay, can I dictate or?
Yes, please say.
Okay, 5th November
5th November
1976.
and time,
Time is 1:05 AM.
AM, and place,
Place is Tanjavur
Tanjavur.
in Tamil Nadu.
Yes. So, like in his chart also, he is Manglik. And normally what we say, Manglik has a short-tempered nature. And there are many other planetary positions in his chart, which is making him not to get the increments timely. That's why wherever you will go, if you will change this home, you will go to any other home, this kind of vastu defect either in the southeast or northeast you will get. In your this map, you will see kitchen is in the northeast and toilet is in the southeast. These two things are not letting you to fulfill the desires. There is always some issues related to immunity of any family member, something which is related to finance. These are the reasons.
Okay.
Okay, so I had just double crossed checked from the birth chart. Normally, I'm able to check from here also, but when we do the Astro Vastu, because Northeast kitchen is never allowed. It is
Okay.
for everyone, not only for you, but for everyone. If kitchen
Okay.
is in the Northeast, any family member will have weak health or immunity issues will be there. Chronic disease can also come.
Okay.
Hmm?
Actually, the kitchen is the platform is in the east side, and
Yes.
there's a door which is from the kitchen going outwards.
Yes,
So
but a
it's
little
entire
bit part.
kitchen area only.
Yes, a little bit part of Northeast might be coming in the
Yes.
kitchen. Not
Yes.
100%, but half. So I had taken that much only.
Okay.
Because you had already written another entrance.
Yeah.
Okay. Take care.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yes. So try not to have kitchen in the northeast. If by chance there is a kitchen in the northeast, then just place a yellow color tape, not mat, but a yellow color tape. So like if your kitchen, gas stove, so near the gas stove or complete the gas oven or whatever we call it, a small yellow color tape, make a yellow color tape square mark. Nilu, you are able to understand now? So I'm not able to hear you, Nilu. So along with the gas stove, just place a yellow color cello tape or a yellow color electric tape.
Sorry, I didn't realize I kept myself on mute when you were talking. So basically, Upma ji, a yellow colored tape.
Yes.
Right. So you basically take it and put it around. That's what you were
Yes.
saying, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
I had it right here, so I said, okay, let me just show it also to everybody. Even though it's not looking very yellow because of the light right now, but it's a yellow colored
Yes.
tape.
Yellow color.
All right. Great. We are going to take lots of people on more. Bhavna and Hemang, you're up in the queue next, so to speak, and I hope you're here and I hope you're on video. Upma ji, I'm scrolling right back up to the beginning of the chat so that I can make sure that we've covered everybody's questions. Okay. This is below. These are all the maps. Sorry about that. Okay. So we've covered Indrajit's question and we've had Neville's done. Okay. Sampata has asked if two flats are joined together, then how do they give the plan to you? Extended? Line grid?
No. When two flats are joined together, stand in the center. And
Okay.
according to that, make the big square box 9 by 9, 3 by 3 grid, 9 boxes, and according to that.
Okay.
So when
Alright.
you are when you will join the two, so there will be the two entrance, but still family uses one entrance as a main entrance, as second entrance as their daily use. So just
Right.
mark the daily use entrance and the main entrance.
Okay, great. And the question is, what about the master bathroom? Is it recommended yellow colored mat? If the master bathroom is in the south direction, then otherwise not.
Yes.
Okay. And Kavita said my bathroom, 3 bathrooms are east and north. Are they okay? Okay, we've not yet come to Kavita's floor plan, but without seeing the floor plan, she's asking 3 bathrooms are east and north. Is that okay?
So first I will clear. Like if we go by our olden age, where the bathroom means only the area where we take the shower. The area where we take the shower is ruled by planet moon, but the commode area is ruled by Rahu. And in our present age, both these two are in the same bathroom. So that's why if this bathroom is in the north direction, then finance or money opportunities will always be a struggle.
Okay.
Even though north is the direction of water element, but because of the commode, wash basin, these are the things we are flushing.
Right.
That's why financial opportunities will become a reason. Like we are earning good, but still not able to have a proper good way. Or
Right.
we are working for a 1 year, then because of some reasons, one has to lose the job, then again getting the new job, waiting for 1 or 2 months. These kind of issues comes if if bathroom is in the north direction. If bathroom is in the east direction, then social connectivity will be less.
All right.